It's Damaris from Berlin, Canada. In the last video, I talked about how I organize my day. But today, I want to show you one of my favorite places to unwind. My favorite cafe is on the corner of Main Street and King Street. It's small, but the coffee here is amazing. On sunny days, I sit in front of the cafe and I watch people walk by. Right across from the cafe, there's a beautiful park where I sometimes go to read. The grocery store is between my gym and the post office. That's very convenient. After I finish my morning workout, I stop by the store to pick up a few things. Then I walk home. My apartment building is just behind the park, so everything is close. That's what I love about living in the city. Everything is connected and within walking distance. Now it's your turn. Can you describe your favorite place in your city using on, in front of, behind, between, and across from?